Hey yo, what's up everybody? This is Huey and we back with another strategy video, and today we have another super easy strategy for both beginners and professional traders. You can all take this to your arsenal and use it in your day-to-day trading. But before we get into that, make sure to join the free signals group. It is free for everybody and there's a lot of useful information for you if you're trying to get into trading. And of course the giveaways that are happening every day from Monday to Sunday. We have one going on right now. All you need to do to participate is watch the video from start to finish, leave a comment and leave a like. That's pretty much it. After that, you're going to be eligible to receive $100, so make sure to participate and join this group. As you can see, we have private trading sessions as well going on. You get 2-3 free signals every day when there's a trading session in private trading group. And speaking of private trading group, you should definitely send Neos a message and ask him if you can join. This group is absolutely free, but the spots are limited. As you can see, we had a trading session yesterday and it was 100% accuracy. So if you would be participating in this trading session, you would definitely get money, and also you can take part in the giveaways from this group. So make sure to join these groups. And the robot, as always, it is absolutely killing the market, so you can get it for yourself and start making money today. But now let's get back into the strategy. Let's go. And for this strategy, we're only gonna need a few things, and that is 2 indicators. One of them is Chef's Trend Cycle. Jesus, what a complicated name. We leave everything as default on here. And the second one is going to be moving average, and that is our favorite indicator and probably one of the best indicators. We changed the period to 200, change the moving average type to EMA, and safe. Actually, no, never mind, not safe. We're gonna go to styles and change the color to white, and also the 3 pixels so it is visible so you can see the trend. And all you need to remember is that if the price action is below the 200 EMA, then we're only taking short positions. If the price action is above the 200 EMA, we're only taking long positions, as you can see here. Now let's find a suitable pair so I can explain how to utilize Chef's Trend Cycle. Let's go. And here we actually have first example, and I'm also going to enter a short position here. As you can see, the price action is currently below the 200 EMA and the Chef's Trend Cycle line is above 75, which means that the price is most likely to go down after this. So if the price action is below 200 EMA, then you need Chef's Trend Cycle be above 75 level, and you need a first candle to close in red, and then you are taking a short position. And the same works for opposite. If the price is above 200 EMA, then you need Chef's Trend Cycle be below 25, and the first green candle that closes above 200 EMA is going to be your signal to enter the trade on the next candle. So make sure to pay attention to that. It is pretty simple. If the price action is above 200 EMA, then you're looking for Chef's Trend Cycle to be below 25, and if the price action is below 200 EMA, then you're looking for Chef's Trend Cycle to be above the 75 level, and then you're looking for the candles to be closing. If it's above, you're looking for a green candle, the first green candle that appears and closes successfully above 200 EMA, you're taking a 1-minute long position. If the price action below, you're waiting for the first red candle to close successfully below 200 EMA, and you're taking a 1-minute short position. As you can see here, last second we get the dub. Pretty simple. $920 secured. Now let's proceed to more situations so I can explain this further. Let's go. And here we have another entry point. As you can see, we have 17 seconds left and we have the price action be below 200 EMA, so that means we're focusing only on short positions. And look, if you look at Chef's Trend Cycle, it is above 75, and we are about to have a red candle be closed here, and once it does, we are taking a 1-minute short position. And if you look at the candles before that, there was as well several green candles, and then the red candle appeared and the next 3 candles were red, so you could enter there as well and it would be the same result. It would result in a win. So make sure to just look for these situations and do not miss them if you're looking at a specific chart. If you see the everything, the chef's trend cycle and the price action meets the requirements, just wait, sit there for a few minutes and see if you get a candle closing and then taking a position based off that. And we have 22 seconds left. It is not looking great so far, but we're still gonna wait and see whether we were able to get it. This strategy is pretty simple and you can have multiple entries while the chef's trend cycle is in the correct position. As you can see, it continues to be above 75, so you can enter multiple times as long as there is a few green candles. And as you can see, there it is, we secure another win, and as you can see, it's right here, we get a win. Now let's look for another entry and see what we can get. Let's go. And here we have a decent situation where the price action is above 200 EMA. However, I should have entered on this candle right here, that one that is closing, and as you can see, it would result in me losing. However, I'm still going to enter. I'm going to go against my strategy and still enter a 1 minute long position, just because I feel like the price should go up in this situation here, because the market is in a heavy uptrend, and you can see that chef's trend cycle is below 25 for quite some time. So we want to see the price go up. We have 35 seconds left, and this is like, honestly, it never pays out for me to go against the strategy, but I like gambling sometimes, and I would consider this kind of sort of gambling. So don't repeat my mistakes. If you're a new trader and if you're trading, if you're just getting into trading, make sure to just stick to the strategies that we are giving you, and you are definitely going to get money. Sometimes you will lose, as you can see in this situation. If we entered on the green candle that closed, that would result in a win on the next candle. However, this happens, it is trading, and luckily for me, as you can see, we secured $840. Now let's see if we can get something more out of this strategy. Let's go. And look at this beautiful situation here. If you would enter here, you can see this first red candle closed, boom, this would result in a win. And then you have another entry right here, the red candle closes, boom, next one, win. Another one here, boom, this one. And we have another entry point in 15 seconds. We had a green candle, and now the red candle closes in 10 seconds. And just make sure to look at chef's trend cycle. As you can see right now, it is above 75, which is a great opportunity for us to enter, and we're going to take a 1 minute short position here, which should definitely result in a win, because we can see the tendency here. All three entries before this would actually be the wins. Sometimes you can literally have 5-6 entries within 15-20 minutes of just trading on one chart, and this is exactly the situation like this. If I saw this earlier, I would definitely try to capitalize off that, but I think we are entering literally at the end. This is the last opportunity to enter. As you can see, the chef's trend cycle is exiting the area of 75, which means we are not going to take the trades after that, because you need the chef's trend cycle to be either above 75 or below 25, depending on where the price action is taking place, and you have to pay close attention to that. Do not take trades if the chef's trend cycle is in the middle of the chart. And there it is, you can see we secure another $900, pretty easy. We had 4 options and 4 of them went through. Once again, look at this, beautiful. All of these entries would result in a win if you just spot this chart early and able to capitalize off that. All of these result in a win. So once again, let's go over this really fast. Price action below 200 EMA, chef's trend cycle needs to be above 75, and you're waiting for the first red candle to close successfully. Boom, you take short position on the next candle. Then if the price action is above 200 EMA, you're looking for chef's trend cycle to be below the 25 level, and you're waiting for the first green candle to close successfully, and then you're taking 1 minute long position, and that is it. That's how easy the strategy is. Rewind it, rewatch it, make sure you understand it, and then Test it out several times on your live account with legal amounts. Maybe try like $10 bets or $5 bets. See how it goes. See if you're understanding the strategy correctly, and only then increase the trading amount to the one you prefer once you realize that you are actually managing two security options. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I need to remind you to join all of these groups. You can find all the links in the description below. Private trading group, free signal group, all of these are available for you. Make sure to join them. I hope you enjoyed the strategy, get some money. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.